How's it going, guys? It's Josh at Vengeance Racing. Today we're coming to you with a new product from Nitrous Outlet. It is their Pro Series racing harness for the ZR1 Corvette. We're going to be installing it on a good customer of ours, 2011 ZR1, which is already utilizing a 388 cubic inch LSX with 6-bolt mastheads and the factory LS9 Supercharger. Here we have the big deal of the whole kit is the new harness that they're making. This is essentially a plug-and-play harness for the C6 ZR1. It's actually pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about it. Makes it super simple. For those of you who've installed Nitrous before, you understand how many connections you have to make with all the relays and your fuses and your switches and whatnot. They really simplified the whole ordeal, all the way down to labeling every single wire, down to for the controller, for the switches, for your heaters and your pressure switch. You got all your. This is actually a two-stage system, or it's two-stage harness, so you could technically run two stages, but we're only utilizing one. All the way down to the solenoid connections. Obviously your relays with a nice bracket on it, and a nice beautiful fuse block. Real simple, big positive and negative connections, easy to connect. On the ZR1 we're going to be using the LS9 plate kit. Nitrous Outlet does a great job with these plate kits, very well plumbed. It obviously comes with all the necessary fittings. We're going to be using a Lingenfelter timing control box, and also a Lingenfelter Nitrous control center. Awesome standalone system for the Nitrous. Our customer opted to go with a billet bracket instead of the regular heater brackets that come with the kit. Two big 15-pound bottles. Our customer does a lot of street driving, doesn't want to worry so much about fill-ups all the time. Dedicated tank that comes from Nitrous Outlet dedicated tank. It's been utilizing a 340 liter per hour Walbro pump. All the necessary hose for your Nitrous and your dedicated system. More lines, more hardware, obviously your solenoids, all necessary fittings, gauges, heater switches, fuel pressure regulator, dump tube, interior switch panel, everything that you need for your 2011 Chevy Corvette. Now we're going to go through a basic installation of the kit. First I'm going to start off by tearing down the car a little bit to get easy access to all the places I need access to show you how easy it is to install this kit. Alright guys, just finished up tuning on our customer ZR1, and here's some of the results we had. We did make a baseline pull of 793 wheel horsepower on C16. We jetted it 4118 for our 883 wheel horsepower, and then jetted it up to 5732, which made 1027 wheel horsepower and 1175 foot-pounds of torque, which is a very impressive amount of torque on the hit. Alright guys, overall I was very impressed with the quality of the Nitrous Outlet's new racing harness. It's the quality we've grown to expect from all the Nitrous Outlet products. We are an exclusive dealer to Nitrous Outlet just based on the quality of their stuff and the quality of their customer service. Feel free to hit us up or hit up Nitrous Outlet for any questions or concerns in the future.